Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add an attachment to a cart in the Trello app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Trello app, and here it opens up in the boards where we have our boards based on the workspaces. From here we have to go into one that we want to edit. Then in one of the lists that we have to go into a card. And here in the card, at the top, we find quick actions. We can just tap on add attachment and then select what kind of attachment we want to add. We can take a photo, we can attach a file, we can attach a link, we can attach another card or some relation in the Trello app, and there are some other options as well. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.